Welcome to today's super trading strategy. I want to tell you about an amazing strategy that has a win rate of over 90%. One of the features of this strategy is that it provides few but very accurate signals. I recommend you stay with me until the end of this post because you will be truly surprised by the review of this strategy. Before anything else, hit subscribe because the coolest strategies in the world are on this channel. I'll teach you. If the number of likes or on the post reaches over 100, I will offer this plan expert advisor in MetaTrader. So, how does this strategy work? We use two indicators, EMA and CCI, but in a different way. We add 4 EMAs to the chart. 1 is 4. The next EMA we add is EMA 8, which I usually set to yellow. I am indeed. Shunze. Let's set that one to orange. And the next EMA we use is exponential moving average 24. Try to use colors similar to the ones I'm using, such as the ones I'm using, as we receive signals from these. Well, the point is that when the white is clearly above the yellow, orange, and red in this order, it definitely signals to us that our trend is bearish. And we have an upward trend on the chart. When the chart is like this, meaning our chart has white below everything, and then yellow, followed by orange and red. It indicates that our chart is bearish or downward. If you pay close attention, you'll notice that when the white is below the others, usually for a long period, and the time frame we are using is 1 hour, this situation continues in the same way. And when the white crosses from the red, usually our trend becomes bullish. And as you can see, this trend has continued for a long time. Well, the oscillator we are using is the CCI, and the period we are using is the default 14 of MetaTrader. To be able to get buy or sell signals, to take long and short positions, we focus on the 50-point mark. We draw a line to indicate when a cross occurs. So how does the process work? When a bullish sequence is created for us, when the CCI moves from below to above the 0 line, meaning it crosses the pink line upwards, this is approximately considered a buy signal for us. And let's conduct an analysis to see what the signals we receive through this strategy look like. You can see here that the white EMA line is above everything, and the sequence CAM that indicates a bearish condition is present. Here we also have the CCI 0 line cross, which means we can say we received a very clear signal here. Well, if we come a little bit look further into the matter, another important point is that when we have congestion, we should not take a position. Look here, it has broken upwards and there is EMA congestion, or right here it has broken downwards and there is EMA congestion. Yes, it has given us a signal, but this signal is a fake breakout, and even here as well. There is compression here. We do not take a position. The place where we take a position is when a trend has been established, like right here, and now the price has returned to a point where we can say there is EMA support at that point, and we have the cross, meaning we can say in places like these. If you want to calculate this very signal could have given us a profit of nearly 600 pips. Now that we have taken the long position, where should we close the position? As you can see here, for example, if we have taken the long position here, we close the position when there is a candle that has settled below the EMA 24 line, like right here. This means right here is our signal to close the position. I promise you, with this strategy, although we receive fewer signals, the signals we do receive are truly ones with a very high win rate, 90% and even 95%. It gives us high win rate signals. Okay, let's also examine the short position. Here we have a downward trend. Here the compression has disappeared, and right here the trend continues again. This means if we want to analyze from here, we experience a straight move. Right at this point that we have identified. And from there, until it was stabilized, it can be said that in this area, we took a short position at 1875 and closed the position at 1828, which is a very excellent profit. Now, you can use this method for different time frames. I even used it on the minute chart and really got good signals from this method. The best time frame I recommend you to use is either the 15-minute or the 1-hour chart, which can really significantly increase your win rate. If you like this strategy, I would appreciate it if you subscribe, because I bring strategies that are the secret of very big traders in the world to this channel, and my effort is to be able to help improve your trading. Thank you for introducing us to your friends. If the number of likes on this post reaches over 100, I will provide this strategy as a complete expert advisor. So, please support us and give us the motivation to share more strategies with you. Thank you for staying with me up to this point.